Do you agree, Secretary Vince, that medyo twofold nga yung inyong nation building, di ba? One is the actual building, di ba? The roads, the bridges, the buildings, schools, di ba? And the other one is cleaning up the department.
Tama po, yun ang dalawang kabilin-biginan po ng Pangulo nung bago po ako umupo bilang DPWH
And the
Secretary.
second one, which is cleaning up the department, is given to any agency, but usually not too much emphasis because usually we assume that there is much more good, di ba? So, kung harap ko ang BIR ngayon, I would assume there are some bad eggs, but I would assume na, or if there's a systemic problem with BIR, hindi ko naman i-assume na lahat, i-fire lahat ng commissioners or deputy commissioners, ganun din kung custom, etc. But it so happened because of the flood control ghost scandal, ha? Kasi hindi, as you said, Sec Vince, I think as far as the first Department of Public Works around the world ay may corruption na, di ba? The first public works was the Garden of Eden, na kinurap nung snake at ni Adam at saka ni Eve by eating the fruit. So, then it's in the DNA, no? So, the point is, in fixing the problem of corruption, you need a new team, which you have. You have to see what's happening sa department, what you can change. All the senators here naman today contributed, di ba? Chairman has been contributing not only in this committee, in the Blue Ribbon Committee. Having said that, hindi pwedeng hindi dual yung priority mo. Meaning, if yung paghahabol sa lahat ng corrupt at yung pagbabago ng sistema, mahihinto naman yung public works, we lose more. Do you agree with that?
Agree po,
Okay.
Mr. Chairman.